We are going to be going to Alton Towers today. It is my birthday. That's where I decided to go. So, free vlog. So we're at the monorail and all the stuff's gone, which sucks because that is another sign that Postman Pat's going, even though it's confirmed. So sad. We are on Toxicator. No, monorail. Yeah, it opened up to longer. Look, watch, Fred. Okay, here's Galactica. Mother? Yeah. It's... There it is.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Wow. And then here's the Blaze Festival over here. That sucks. Nemesis Reborn should be... it should be here. There is... No, we went past it. There's a Thousand Bag Light, and there's, I'm pretty sure a warehouse for the, what's it called? The new ride that's meant to be coming in.
We hope you have a fantastic day with us. Join the chosen ones on Wicker Man. Visit some of your favourite friends in
You belong to the Wicker Man, as well as you belong to the Smiler.
More uncontrollable than ever before.
Can you see Smiler? Jakey's favourite, isn't it?
What makes you think that? I turn my back to the Smiler bag.
And start your awesome adventure.
Oh, in my shirt too.
Alton Towers Resort is a non-smoking theme park. Smoking and vaping are only permitted in designated areas. Look out for these on
There you go, there's warehouse and stuff as well. This game on Spinball Wizard. Yes, it was really good, and also, I feel like it. Yeah, I feel like it may have been a bit better than it was before, and also the Eggman is in fact still not gone. We're going to be making our way down to Forbidden Forest, because although I really do want to ride Smile on my birthday, I see it. I'm getting a photo pass tomorrow. Because currently it is 15:50, so that gives us 2 hours and 10 minutes in the park until it closes. Not worth buying a photo pass for. Oh my god, there's the tracks.
Hello, YouTube.
There we go. Okay, so there's a mechanic walking along there. I think the launch might be broken. Womp womp. It's still draining. It's still leaking. Just so you see us here over there. We're gonna go try that side. We're going on that side of it. We're gonna aim to go that side. Just to let you know.
Too much controversy. You're not the best, Danny. There's one that I know that will lift their cup. Yo, Digital, switch it up.
Hello! I am the Vlog King. I am the one you need to be worshipping. Never caught me on the dish track, grind but a 1-2 clams. Keep that in mind.
Wow.
Yeah, and now's my time. Time for me to put you in line. This is all a waste. Who am I dissing in the first place? Sam, Nicole, Abby. Wait, what? Since when were you lot funny if you're too busy crying at the thought of...
Hey, Mum. Send me any photos that you took today. Do you want to be in it?
Good evening. Yes, Professor Mario will
Goodbye.
Chainsaw? He's run away! Come back! Wait, what's the...